Have you ever felt pain in your knees while climbing stairs? Or stiffness in your joints when you wake up in the morning? Many people think this is a normal part of getting older. But what if some simple supplements could help reduce the pain and make movement easier? Let's find out. Our joints work hard every day. They help us walk, run, sit, stand, and do all our daily activities. But with age, injury, or health problems, joints can become painful and stiff. This is why many people start taking supplements for joint health. But which ones are actually useful? 1. Glucosamine and chondroitin. Think of your joints like a door hinge. For the hinge to move smoothly, it needs proper cushioning and support. Glucosamine and chondroitin are natural substances found in healthy joints. Some studies suggest they may help reduce stiffness, pain, and slow down wear and tear in the joints. 2. Fish oil omega-3. Sometimes joint pain happens because of inflammation inside the body. Omega-3 found in fish oil may help calm this inflammation. Many people report less stiffness and better joint comfort after taking omega-3 supplements regularly. 3. MSM. MSM is a natural compound that helps the body build and maintain connective tissues. Some people with knee pain say it helps reduce swelling and improves movement. 4. Vitamin D. Did you know that low vitamin D levels can sometimes make body aches and joint pain worse? Many people in India have low vitamin D without even knowing it. Getting enough vitamin D may help support stronger bones and healthier joints. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is already present in most Indian kitchens. It contains a natural compound called curcumin, which may help reduce inflammation. Many people use turmeric supplements to help with joint pain and stiffness. 6. Boswellia. Boswellia is a plant extract that has been used for hundreds of years. Research suggests it may help reduce joint pain and improve movement. Some studies even show it may help protect joint cartilage. There are also supplements like SAMI, borage oil, cat's claw, and avocado soybean extract. They may help some people, but the results are different for everyone. Before you rush to buy any supplement, remember this. Natural does not always mean safe. Some supplements can cause side effects or interact with medicines you are already taking. So, do supplements help with joint pain? For some people, yes. They may reduce pain, stiffness, and improve movement. But they are not magic pills. The best results come from a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, proper medical treatment, and the right supplements. Take care of your joints today